This summer I'm bringing the heat and beating it too. Woo! It's Rodney Restoration, and I'm rolling in hot, hotter than a perm in July. Time to draw up some summer safety tips to keep you from totally bugging, bro. Woo! Dude, don't be a dweeb. Stay hydrated in the summer heat. Find some shade and chill out before you burn out. Heat stroke is no joke. Even radical restorers need a break sometimes. GRS keeps it cool even when the job gets hot. And remember, 24/7 is not just a number, it's a guarantee.